안녕하세요. 영어동화 읽어주는 엄마예요. Do you like skeleton? Can you guess skeleton hiccups? Today's book is Skeleton Hiccups. How do you stop hiccups? Okay, skeleton hiccup might be something different from ours. Let's find out. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton hiccups. Skeleton walk up. Hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic. Skeleton took a shower. Skeleton brushed his teeth. Look at his teeth. Skeleton polished his bones. It came out, the arm bone came out of his body because of the hiccup. Carved the pumpkin. Oh, gross pumpkin. Nothing works. He played with ghosts. Played the baseball with the ghost, but he cannot grab the ball because he kept like that. Ghost told skeleton, hold your breath. It's not working. It's some sugar. Yum, 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 yum. Sugar. The hiccups didn't stop. Then press your fingers over your eyeballs. Nothing worked. Okay, drink some water. Upside down. Oh my gosh. Look at the water came out of his eyeballs. Ghost made a face. Made a scary face. Said boo to skeleton. Boo. Oh my gosh. Nothing stopped. But nothing worked. The hiccup stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Ghost is searching for something. Found a mirror. Held it up. Okay, look at your face like that. Skeleton screamed. Looking at his face reflected on the mirror, skeleton screamed and hiccup left. Wow, Ghost, you are so smart. They jumped away. Hooray! Skeleton hiccup. If you want to stop hiccups, maybe you have to look at the mirror. That's the best and quickest way, right? If you enjoy reading the book with me, please press the thumbs up button and be with me next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.